Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Joy, but I go by JS Friends on this channel, and today I'm going to be trying to do a quick weave for the very first time. I'm just showing you guys my braid pattern and what I did. I did choose to use leave out, and it was the best decision ever. Okay, so I'm just gonna introduce the hair that I'm using. So my mom, when she found out like I was starting YouTube and I wanted to focus on hair, she's like, oh, I have a bunch of hair you can use, and she brought over like a garbage bag full of hair. And this is Beauty Elements, and it's human hair, tangle free, and I have 3 packets of that. I have a couple of other things in that little magical bag. If you guys want to see them, just let me know. But this is what we're just gonna go in and do. I am imagining a bob. That's what I'm going for, is a bob. Like, I really want to be like sleek, chic, and like sex. I just want to give pure grown woman vibes. Like, really nervous to do this hairstyle because I've never put glue in my hair before outside of putting on a lace front wig, and that's supposed to go on your forehead. I was really scared to lose my edges because, you know, as black girls, you're scared of going bald. But as you can see, we did it. I 100% don't regret it, but I do regret it. I wish I had put on the protective, there's like this huge protective sheath thingy. I don't know the name of it, but I wish I had used that instead of the Ebin glue and the hair glue, because it just would have been a whole lot more healthier and a whole lot more protective. But I was too lazy to go to the hair store, so I was like, you know what, this just gotta work. But good thing is all my hair is intact. It did take 3 washes to get the glue out, and lots of combing and lots of patience. I ended up using my portable hood dryer to dry the hair. Well, not dry the hair, but to dry the lace glue and to also dry the hair glue to make sure that my hair, my cap, was not moving. I needed it protective if I was just about to layer on a bunch of glue, so I waited for it to dry, and as you can see, it definitely got stuck on my cap. Yeah, I was kind of nervous by then, and I was like, hopefully this doesn't ruin my dryer, but good news is my dryer is clean, it is safe. I was able to wipe it off easily. And this part, putting my hair on my cap, I would have to say was the most complicated part out of all of this. Why? I do not know. For what reasons? I do not know. I just thought like I wasn't careful in making sure that like one end was glued down before I try to move it to the other end of my hair. I was just trying to glue it down all at once, and it created a mess, and I kept doing it like that for a while, and I didn't quite get the hang of the proper technique to doing a quick weave until like towards the last 2, 3, or even 4 tracks if I'm lucky. I then went in with my blow dryer to just blow dry my hair, and this step I started to realize was highly unnecessary. So if you're doing a quick weave, don't even waste your time, don't bother. I did it for you. Like, yeah, it was annoying, it was very tedious, but one thing I will say is I think I started at like 10 o'clock, and I was able to finish by like 11:30 and stuff. No, yeah, I think it was like 11 or 12 o'clock that I finished. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but either way, it was a lot quicker than a traditional weave, hence the name. So I'm not mad at it. But I definitely could see if you are highly uncomfortable with putting glue in your hair or even taking all these steps, just get yourself a U-part wig. It is essentially the same thing. It will clip into your hair, and on top of that, you could take it off at night, because the one thing that heavily bothered me about this quick weave is the fact that my neck was itching and burning. It was not fun at all to go to sleep at night. And I was ready to take it out. I'm not even lying, day 2, but I just had a lot going on in my life whereby I needed to look hot, I needed to give grown woman. So I had to do the itching and burning all day long, you know, tucking your bonnet underneath your weave, doing whatever you can to stop making it itch. I had to do all that work, and I'm glad I did, because I'm gonna upload a productivity vlog and I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to style and maintain my hairstyle. I think I only did it once. Yeah, I did it once in the video, but I did it throughout the whole week. I show you guys basically how I got ready within 5 minutes. Like, my hair only took 5 minutes to do every single morning. So that's the very one thing that I was very impressed by, is it took no time. It was just the comfortability. It wasn't there. It was not there whatsoever. It was itching. It was itching. I feel it on my neck now. I wore this quick weave for about 2 weeks straight, and I low-key miss her. I low-key miss her. I miss just waking up and just like zhuzhing my hair up and walking out the door and feeling like I'm that girl. I'm that girl, and you're not about to approach that girl. You know, that's what she was giving. So I also was filming a TikTok while I was doing this. Those will be uploaded for promo. You know, I'm really trying to do it. I am going to be uploading a whole lot more hair videos, especially now that I'm in cosmetology school. I am actually currently creating a vlog about my cosmetology school experience. So yeah, there's just a lot coming on this channel, which reminds me, if you are new here, my name is Joy, but on this channel I go by J Esperance. And if you love what you see, if you hear or love my voice, subscribe. Don't hesitate, subscribe. You're about to miss out on a lot of quality content if you do not hit that button now. Hit that button now. I'm not playing with you. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go, and I'll come back when I cut my hair. Well, not cut my hair, but cut the cap. This was my favorite part about this quick weave. This was so oddly satisfying to me, and I just wanted to tell you guys that. There is a reason that you guys didn't get a little pop-up notification with this flat iron. You will see. I keep trying to make it work. I got it at TJ Maxx because I thought I was being smart, because I know that this is like a high quality straightener, and I was like, let me go to TJ Maxx because they only sell them for $60 and they're always there. There is a reason they're always there. They don't work. They don't work. And if I could have returned this straightener, I would have, but it was already past 30 days, and I really do buy things and I try them out really late. So that's what happened here. That was the case. But you guys are going to see me use my all-time favorite, my brand new baby. Like, when I tell you that this is a straightener that saved this quick weave, it is a straightener that saved this quick weave. It was able to give me a nice blend, because as you can see right now that my hair is not blending. It is not blended. I wanted my hair to be very blended with the weave, so this straightener wasn't doing it. But I'm about to show you when that girl appears, you'll know. You'll know. Okay, and she is an icon. She is the moment. I'm about to give you guys a zoom up. You will see. You won't be able to detect. You will not be able to detect whether it's a weave or if it's my hair because of the straightener. And it was only $60 at Target. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. That texture is exactly what I was going for. It really blended the weave and my hair together. Like, they were in sync. They were swoop, 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 sliding together, you know, grooving together. You can't tell me. You couldn't tell me that was not my hair. And I got those compliments. People ask me, is that your hair? Is that your real hair? Is that your real hair? That's why I kept it short. I kept it cute, because people were questioning whether or not that was my hair. And yes, it is, because I bought it. I own it. I have the rights. I have the receipts. Well, actually, my mom bought it, but still, same concept, same concept. But you can definitely tell it did a very, very good job. I highly, highly recommend this straightener. This will now be my go-to. I obviously I'm gonna buy more straighteners because I'm the type of girl that likes to test everything, but this will be my go-to from now on. I did end up deciding to curl the hair because it's a lot easier to blend your hair with the weave when it's curled. It's a lot more undetectable, whereby if it's straight, you're gonna do a lot more work. You have to, what's the razor? I'm forgetting what the razoring method is called, but you have to give it layers in order to blend. You have to give it lots of layers in order to blend it and in order for it to blend well. But if you curl it, bing, bang, bada bing, whoop de doop, swoop shoop, you done, you good. You don't have to put in that much amount of work. Of course, later on I do go ahead and razor my hair because I did want it to blend a little bit more, and you can do that, but it's not mandatory. It's not a must-have. So it is about like 12 o'clock at night. I just finished this. I definitely feel some of this glue in my hair on the back of my neck. So like, but guess what? This hair looks good, so that doesn't even really matter. But I know that's gonna bother me, so I might have John like pick it out of my hair, or my friend, I don't know. But it looks really good for my first quick weave, right? Oh my goodness, it looks really good. I didn't do my edges because I'm about to go to bed. So I'm just going to wrap this up. I don't even know how to wrap my hair. And I hope it looks like this in the morning. I guess we'll see. I'm gonna be doing a weekend vlog and I'm gonna show you guys how I do the rest of my face. Well, you guys will get the results here if you guys want to watch that as well. But yeah, this is the final look. I think it's giving. But thank you so much for watching me. My leg literally itches from how much hair I have on my body. So I will see you guys next time. Actually, this weekend. So watch that vlog. Bye.